If you've lost access to your OTP and can't access your Amazon seller account, this video is for you. I'm going to show you how to disable OTP and get access to your account once again. I'm Dylan Heathcote from AMZ Joy. Let's jump into this video. Okay, starting off, we're going to head over to this site here, or this web page, and it'll tell you what instructions we need to take. It's quite simple. All the links will be below, and it will take you directly to this. So what do you need to do? In order to regain access to your account and remove OTP, you need to verify your identity by providing a scan or photo of a government issued identity which matches your account. So if you have that, you'll upload that, and in 1 to 2 days your OTP will be disabled. Then you can re-access your account and set it up again. So in the description, the link will be for this part here. And this is exactly where you upload the document in order to remove the OTP, essentially. So once again, just make sure it's an acceptable form of government issued identification, such as a driver's license, state ID card, voter registration card, a passport, etc., etc. Any sensitive information such as account number or identification numbers are covered, concealed, or removed. Your name and address, as well as the issuing authority, are clearly visible. So remove any super sensitive information. And once you've done that, submit it, and then in 1 to 2 days, it will be complete. It's as simple as that. Once again, links are in the description. Go ahead and remove that OTP. Thanks for watching. I'm Dylan Heathcote from AMZ Joy. Catch you later.